We'll go on and on. Okay, just before we round off, the new the bill has passed the second reading.
Yes.
So that's our next discussion, but I just want to get your opinion on it, about the compulsory voting. What do you think about it? Is it achievable?
Is it achievable? By faith, we can achieve it. But the problem is not bringing the people to vote, but assuring them that their vote will count.
Absolutely.
If you can assure them that their vote will count, you don't even need to pass a bill. They will come out.
Like we did the last time, we didn't need a bill.
We didn't need any bill. People clustered everywhere, crowd everywhere. In my own unit, I looked at the crowd that gathered from morning. I pitied them. I have to start buying food for everybody. Please eat and relax yourself. Eat, relax. We must stay here until everything is over.